respected school principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Cancer is one of the biggest health challenges we face today. Each year, millions of people are diagnosed with cancer around the world, and unfortunately, more than half of the patients eventually will not survive. With 9 million deaths, cancer is the second leading cause of death worldwide, and to make it worse, the National Cancer Survivor Day Foundation predicts that by 2026, more than 20 million people will be living with cancer or be the survivors of cancer. In our global fight against cancer, February 4 is observed as World Cancer Day. The objective of the day is to raise awareness about cancer and to encourage its prevention, detection and treatment. It is estimated that from around 9 million people who die from cancer, at least one-third of the common cancers are preventable. This means that up to 3 million lives could be saved each year if we implement effective measures for the prevention, early detection and treatment of cancer. Students can play a vital role in this fight, and it's our duty to be a part of it. Some of the most effective steps to prevent cancer is by reducing your chances of exposure to cancer-related risk factors such as tobacco and alcohol, obesity, physical inactivity, infections, environmental pollution, work-related carcinogens, and exposure to other radiation. 5 major areas where students can play significant roles in our fight against cancer are: first, awareness about the uses of alcohol and tobacco. Second, importance of diet and nutrition, food and habits. Third, importance of physical activity and overweight issues. Fourth, importance of self-awareness, early detection and treatment of cancer. Fifth, raising of funds for cancer victims. As students, we can bring awareness in the society about these facts by organizing poster campaigns on this issue. We must discourage people from the uses of alcohol and tobacco and educate them about the consequences. Any such incident in our school should be brought to the attention of our teachers. Dear friends, it's time to leave the passive mode. Cancer is a reality and it could happen to anyone at any time, and we need a coordinated social work to get rid of it. Today on World Cancer Day, let us take a pledge that we will join this fight and we will take an active role in our own way. Together we can achieve a lot. Thank you.